Today, I'll show you how to withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to a bank account. First, it's important to know that MetaTrader 5 itself does not usually process withdrawals directly. MT5 is the trading platform where you place trades and manage charts, but your money is held by your broker. So, to withdraw funds, you need to use your broker's website, client portal, or mobile app. Start by logging in to the broker account connected to your MetaTrader 5 account. Go to the section called Funds, Wallet, Cashier, Payments, or Withdrawals. The name may be different depending on your broker. Next, choose Withdraw. Select the MetaTrader 5 trading account you want to withdraw from. Now choose Bank Transfer or Bank Account as the withdrawal method. Enter the withdrawal amount, then add or select your bank details. This may include your account holder name, bank name, account number, routing number, IBAN, SWIFT code, or other required banking information. Make sure the bank account name matches the name on your broker account. Many brokers only allow withdrawals to accounts under the same verified name. Before submitting, review the withdrawal details carefully. Check the amount, bank information, fees, and estimated processing time. If everything is correct, click Submit, Confirm, or Request Withdrawal. Your broker may ask you to complete identity verification, upload documents, or confirm the request by email or two-factor authentication. After submitting, you can usually track the withdrawal status inside your broker dashboard. If the money does not arrive after the expected processing time, contact your broker support and provide the withdrawal reference number. And that's it. You now know how to withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to a bank account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.